Hi everyone, welcome to the DevOps Traveler. In this video, we will discuss Git practical implementation. In previous session, we understood Git and GitHub basics. Today, we will create repository in GitHub and push our local projects step by step. I will demonstrate everything clearly using Visual Studio Code. And Git is installed on my local system. So let us get started. This is a sample project I downloaded from a public GitHub repository and opened in Visual Studio Code. Now let's connect this project to Git and push it to my GitHub account. Let me open terminal. We are not going with PowerShell. Git init. So this command initializes an empty Git repository and starts tracking this project. Git status. This shows the current state of files which are untracked, modified, or ready to commit. It basically shows on which branch you are currently working on it and what all are the files needs to be committed. Like this is the folder which you are working on it. Now let me create a future branch. For that we use git checkout and b future. So this creates and switches to a new branch called future login to work safely without touching main or master branch. Now let me add git. This command adds all project files to the staging area to prepare them for commit. Now we have to commit the changes. For that we use git commit -m and a comment. Comment should be anything, like I use my first commit. This saves the staged files permanently in Git with a message describing the changes. Now I'll go to my GitHub account and create a new repository. So this is the UI of the GitHub. So here we have an option called create a repository. Let me select this, and here we need to give the repository name. So I can give my first repo. So it is available now. So the description we can give like anything. It's based on our requirement. And give this is my first repo. So if you see, we have certain configuration details which we need to select. So here we have choose visibility option, whether it is public or private. So the public is like to everyone your repository will be available, visible. For private, only you or selected users can see it. And there is another option called add readme. Basically this readme file shows like about your project structure. And git ignore. When you add git ignores, it ignores unnecessary files like logs, node modules, or anything. Whichever you wanted to select, you can go with that. For now, we are selecting no git ignore and add licensing files. So add license is nothing but it defines how others can use your code. Let me create. Once you create the GitHub repository, you will get certain commands here. You can see here git init, git add, readme.md. So these all are the configuration which we have done already. We need to go with this command because we need to push our changes. Now it added my GitHub repository to my local account. So here we are pushing our code to the GitHub account. Let me open my GitHub account and show you. This is the repository where we have pushed our changes. And if you see the branch future login, which we have created from the command line, And this is the files which we have selected for the commit. And if you see, this is the comment we have added, and under this we have all of the files. So this is how we have to push our changes from local to GitHub account. In the next video, I will explain complete GitHub workflow, branching strategy, pull request process, team collaboration flow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the DevOps Traveler. See you in the next video. Thank you.